Okay. Have you ever had a day at work that was so busy that when you looked up, it was 3 o'clock and you had not had anything to eat? How did that make you feel? Did you feel overwhelmed, frustrated? I know you felt hungry. Did you feel angry? Did you feel shaky, lightheaded? Did you feel like you wanted to faint or lose consciousness? Were you parched? Were you thirsty? You know, how did you feel when you were hungry? Those are things to think about when you are planning out your day, when you're planning out your meals to prevent type 2 diabetes. You never want to get to a place where there's an extended period of time where you haven't eaten, because oftentimes when you get to that place, you may not make the best choice. You may take the choice that's the easiest choice, the quickest choice, and most affordable choice, but it may not be the healthiest choice for you in that time. So, if you know that eating well away from home is a challenge, like when you're at work, when you're on the go, the best way to overcome that is to meal prep, plan quality food, have them accessible to you easily so that when you are hungry, you're able to overcome that hunger by eating something that's healthy and not necessarily selecting something that may not be the best choice. And when I say that, I'm thinking of things like processed food, going through the drive through, eating candy, eating chips, drinking soda, having an icy, those are things that are not the healthiest options. That when we're in a crunch, we don't want to run to those foods because the thing about it is they may taste good, but they don't necessarily provide the nutritional benefit that we need anyway. And so, in that instance, I want to actually make a different choice. And so, by having those healthier options accessible to me, when I get in that crunch when I'm hungry, I'll make the better choice. So tell me how you feel when you get hungry and tell me what is going to be your choice snack that you'll have easily accessible to help overcome that anger, to help overcome that hangry, that hunger. Stay tuned to the next video.